In this video, I will show you how you can enable USB debugging on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on About Tablet. From here, just tap on Software Information, and on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. And after that, just enter your lock screen PIN or pattern and select OK. And after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. Now on the main settings page, just scroll down to the bottom of the list and you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on developer options. Now under the developer settings, just scroll down. Now under the debugging section, you will find the option of USB debugging. Now just enable this toggle and select OK. And after you do that, you will enable USB debugging on your Samsung tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.